Put him right for the middle. What are you throwing into that?
What?
What are you throwing into your pitchback?